I'm Abby's mum. Your child's cough might be habit cough. Watch Abby's instant cure video utilising the Weinberger procedure. It's amazing. Tell your doctor what you've seen. Dr. Weinberger is providing this miracle Weinberger procedure as his gift to hopeless and forsaken children and parents in Australia and around the world for free.
If you start feeling anything, don't take a lot of water, but just a little sip. Okay. So what we're going to do for a little while is some of the things I told you, but I'm going to help you a little bit. You're still going to do it. Okay. First thing I want you to do is keep looking at me and listen to me, even when you start to feel like you're going to cough. Okay? And we'll start going just for a little bit. And remember, it's hard to cough, right? Very hard. Because it's hard to concentrate on just holding back a cough. It really takes a lot of thought. So I'm going to watch my watch here. Where you start to cough, as soon as you feel that, concentrate on holding back the cough and take just a little sip of water to ease that feeling. Okay. So, keep looking at me and concentrate. And let's go just for half a minute now. Instead of coughing, slow deep breath. Slow if you can.
My full session with Dr. Weinberger is on our website.
Hi, I'm Abby, and here goes me trying to cure my habit cough with just Dr. Weinberger's suggested therapy. I'm gonna not cough for 15 minutes. I usually cough for what feels like 100 times per minute, and I've been coughing for the past 5 years. So here I go. Thank you so much, Dr. Weinberger, for helping me. Now I know how to control my cough.